I'm an engineer. I have a stable job, a good salary. But I realized something scary. If I continue like this, I might never be financially free. So, I made a decision. I'm going to escape the 9 to 5. Welcome to Cash Flow Academy. This channel is about one mission, going from engineer to financial freedom. I'm not rich, yet. I'm not a guru. I'm just someone building a real plan, step by step. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how I'm doing it. Let's be honest. Most people believe this. If I earn more money, I will be rich. But that's not true. You can earn 3,000, 4,000, even 6,000 euros per month and still feel broke. You get a salary increase, then your lifestyle increases. Better car, better apartment, more expenses, and at the end of the month, nothing is left. This is the trap. The real problem is simple. You are trading time for money. You work, you get paid. You stop working, money stops. That means your income is limited, and your time is limited too. That's when I understood this system will never give me freedom. I had to change how I think about money. There are two types of income. Active income, your salary, passive income, money that works for you. If you want freedom, you need passive income. For example, imagine you make 2,500 euros every month without working. Would you still need your job? Probably not. So, I set a clear goal. I want to reach 5,000 euros per month in passive income. Not by luck, not by gambling, but by building systems. And the best part is, you don't need to be rich to start. First, I had to understand where my money goes. Track expenses, cut useless spending. If you don't control money, money controls you. Second, increase my income. Your job is your starting point, not your final destination. You make skills, you make side income. Third, investing every month. Not trying to get rich fast, but building wealth slowly. Even small amounts become big over time. Fourth, building multiple income streams. Investments, online content, digital products. The goal is simple. Make money even when you sleep. Let me be honest with you. This is not easy. There will be moments where you feel stuck, where progress is slow. But doing nothing is the worst option. Imagine this. No alarm, no stress, income coming in automatically. You choose how to live your life. That's the freedom I'm building. This is just the beginning. In the next videos, I'll show you my investments, my real numbers, and my mistakes. If you want to go from engineer to financial freedom, subscribe and follow the journey.